Hi, my name is Noah Heller, and this is my submission for the Congressional App Challenge, a trash app called LitterallyLess. The damaging effects litter has on our ecosystem cannot be understated. Many solutions to this problem focus on promoting and educating people on recycling. This solution is a good step towards reducing our litter footprint, but does not deal with the waste already littered. This is where my app comes in. The app rewards people for collecting recyclable items that have already been littered. LitterallyLess's program flow can be broken into four main tasks: locate the user, detect recyclables in the environment, track the recyclables position to figure out when the user picks up the litter, and store detection information on a public leaderboard to enable friendly competition among friends. Going into each step further, the locate task utilizes Mapbox to display the user's location in a 3D map that can be navigated with common gestures. The app also uses sensors on the phone in addition to the built-in camera to localize the phone within the environment, which will be needed for the next step. The detect task uses an AI object detection model to determine the bounding box of the recyclables as well as their material. The bounding box is then used in conjunction with the data from the locate task to project the detection into 3D space. This 3D position is then used in the next step. Track. Each detection is assigned to a track by a cost-based probabilistic algorithm, which either assigns a detection to an existing track or creates a new track for the newly detected object. Each track is then checked every frame to decide if the user has collected the recyclable item. This is indicated by the item label turning from red to green. The final stage is to store information. The app uses a Firestore database to store users' detections. This data is then fetched by the user's app and displayed on a public leaderboard. Now I want to show an example of the app working. Now let's move on to the future aspirations of this app. In the future, I would like to implement a feature that allows community leaders to submit areas with high volumes of recyclable waste to the approved trash pickup locations. I also acknowledge that this app is computationally expensive, and as mobile devices continue to grow in processing power, more advanced object detection and localization models can be used. Thank you for listening to my presentation on my app, LitterallyLess.